Hi, what's up everyone? So today we're gonna be trying the activate fire alarms. We got the Fire X. What's the model? I don't see the model. Where is it? It's a model is Fire X CC, and we got the smoke detect. I don't know. It's 20SD10. So these two detectors have some serious beef to go through. So first, we'll spray can activate fire alarms. I guess we'll try this out. So today, I'm going to spray at these both detectors to see if it could do so. This one activates first. The Fire X one activates first. This one stops first. Okay, so that's the smoke checked, and now let's move smoke around. Take it out. We gotta get the second part done. Alright, so the second part is we're gonna spray this one to activate both of these. And don't worry, oh shoot, where's the towel? Okay, this one I'm gonna act probably quicker. This one I might have activate these. So the detect one activates quicker. And looks like this one actually has just quicker. I don't think the Fire X actually activates far enough, but I could actually try. Oh, okay. Okay, I actually can confirm stuff. This spray can actually activate more amount of smoke detectors than this one. I might have activated this one, but whatever. Okay, this one I think I might have need to hit the test button, you know? I gotta clear some smoke, you know? Alright. I do want to confirm that this guy activates quicker than this one, because the reason why I had to test both of these, because I could confirm that smoke spray can activate my alarms like the kidding one than the Fire X one. So it can probably cause more common to activate fire alarms in the real building, and yeah. So yeah, the lesson of this video is don't spray. You can spray your hair, but don't actually aim it to the smoke detectors, because it will go off automatically. No. And yes, at fairness, okay, I'm just trying to make sure that we make this video a lesson for everyone to make sure that never spray any his spray, like such as try to make sure we don't actually set it off. Alright, I had to hit the test button so I don't actually I need to move that fan around so I don't actually get so much smoke out of here. So yeah, that's probably good. So please subscribe so I can actually hit 50 subscribers so we can do a live stream on my channel for smoke detector testing. So yeah, let's not hit the test button manually, and have a good day.